Oh, the sun's gonna shine in my life once more. Love's gonna live here again. Things are gonna be the way they were before. Love's gonna live here again. Love's gonna live here. Love's gonna live here. Love's gonna live here again. No more loneliness, only happiness. Love's gonna live here again. I hear bells are ringing, I hear birds are singing. Love's gonna live here again. I hear bees are humming, I know days are coming. Love's gonna live here again. Love's gonna live here. Love's gonna live here. Love's gonna live here again. Only happiness. Love's gonna live here again. Get it, Joe. Well, love's gonna live here. Love's gonna live here. Love's gonna live here again. No more loneliness, only happiness. Love's gonna live here again. Let's say, love's gonna live here again. One more. I say, love's gonna live here again. Well, I stopped at a roadhouse in Texas, a little place called Hamburger Dance. I heard that old jukebox playing a song called The Truck Driving Man. So I poured me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a nickel in the jukebox and play the truck driving man. Bunker. The waitress then she brought me some coffee. I thanked her but called her again. I said that old song so desperately, 'cause I'm a truck driving man. So I climbed back aboard my old semi, and then like a flash I was gone. I got them old truck wheels rolling, 'cause I'm on my way to San Antonio. So pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I put a nickel in the jukebox and play the truck driving man. So pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land.